Who you know that do it better? You gon' think about me till forever. Am I a cheerleader? Bro, I'm a grown adult. Like, I cannot choose no love in a smooch. Bitch, I'm the one. So how could I lose? Like, singing that bitch like a hammock. I'm doing me, she cannot stand it. Thank you, boo. She throwing it. She throwing it. She throwing it. Hit it good. I miss you more. Hit it good. Hit it good. I need to cut my bangs. Should I do it right now? They're already long again. I'm on my. It's not my. This is my song. Actually, I should probably get it professionally done. Cause I'ma fuck my own shit up. Thank you for the heart puffs. Hotbox gonna be like, give me a light. Micro bangs? You hate me. You hate me bad. The ass wasn't so tight. She can If you have micro bangs, yeah, I'm gonna just assume that something's going wrong. Which is kind of mean of me to say, I'll admit. But I am a little bit of a see you next Tuesday, so. The ass of the pants fit tight. Come here. I wouldn't say I'm a hater. I'm not a hater. But me watching my TikToks over. War Thunder on top. I don't know what that is. Baby girl.